subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new 5G-enabled phone under K series in China called Oppo K7x. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo K7x features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and a large 90.5% screen-to-body ratio. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that carries a 16-megapixel selfie camera with 79-degree wide-angle lens. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad ray cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it has electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. Under the hood, the Oppo K7x comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 5000 mAh battery that supports 30 watts VOOC flash charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with HyperBoost 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75.1 by 9.1 millimeters and it weighs around 194 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo K7x has been priced in China at 1,499 Chinese yuan. And it is now up for pre-orders in the country in black mirror and blue shadow color options. And it will go on sale starting from November 11th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K7x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.